I'm happy to welcome back my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways once again.
Yes, and one of the things I want to mention to our audience is when you are either buying or selling a home, you want to be able to trust the people that are helping you out. And
really
we can
do.
guarantee that they are very trustworthy, have integrity, they're honest, and they will do the best job that's possible, whether you are buying or selling. And you've got one of their homes that they're selling now.
I do, and we know that they have homes all over the valley, but this one happens to be in Scottsdale, and it's a beautiful corner lot, and it has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and it's just under 30, it's actually 3,458 square feet of living, 3-car garage. It's this beautiful home. It's got the mountain views, the master suite, it's got the fireplace, the private exit, the walk-in closet. Of course, it has the oval soak tub, the dual granite top vanities, and I love in the front they have the semi-drive, the circle drive.
I always love those.
Oh, I know, it's beautiful. And the safety, I mean, there's so many beautiful things through this, but I love that they also have the fire sprinkler system. I know that's silly, but I love that. They have a beautiful bay window in the breakfast. They have the mature landscaping in the front and the back with the watering system. I mean, there's so many different, it's kind of the resort living in this area.
It looks like it and feels like it.
It really is, and people really need to see this kitchen with the double ovens and the beautiful granite and everything about it. But all of this is only for $850,000 in this location. So it's definitely a must-see. And like we said, if they don't want to see this one, there's so many other ones that they need to definitely check out.
Absolutely. They can go, just give them a call or go to their website.
Exactly.